In this video, I'll explain how to transfer USDT from Binance to BingX step by step in a simple way. First, open your BingX app. Go to the Assets section at the bottom and tap on it. Here, you'll see your wallet balance. Now, click on Deposit and select USDT because we are transferring Tether. After selecting USDT, you must choose the correct network. Always select TRC20 for lower fees and faster transfers. Once selected, BingX will generate a deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Now, open your Binance account. Go to the Assets section and tap on Withdraw or Send. First, check your USDT balance to make sure you have enough funds. Then, select USDT as the coin you want to send and choose Send via Crypto Network. Paste the BingX deposit address that you copied earlier. Now again, make sure the network is set to TRC20 on Binance as well, because both sides must match for the transfer to work properly. After that, enter the amount you want to send, for example $50 or any amount you prefer, keeping in mind the small network fee. Once everything is correct, click on Withdraw or Confirm. Binance will ask you to verify the transaction using your password, email code, or fingerprint, depending on your security settings. Complete the verification step to proceed. After confirmation, your transaction will start processing. Usually it takes a few minutes, but sometimes it may take a little longer, depending on network traffic. You can track the status in your Binance transaction history. Finally, go back to your BingX app and refresh your wallet. You will see your USDT successfully credited to your account. That's how you can easily transfer USDT from Binance to BingX without any confusion.